So like whenever like we are going to talk about a particular parasite, like we must know to classify the protozoal and the helminth. So whenever like we are going to study about the parasite, we have a classification called protozoology and helminthology. So under protozoology, we have the various organisms like entamoeba, then we have the giardia, and then we have the malarial parasite, then we have the coccidian parasite. So those all will come under the particular parasitology and protozoology. So under helminthology, like we have the cestode, trematode and nematode. So this particular Enterobius Vermicularis, it comes under the nematode. So let us see about this particular infection. So the definitive host is going to be the human here. So definitive host is a host where the sexual reproduction happens. So it's going to be a human here. And intermediate host is not required here. And infective form for this particular infection is going to be the mature egg. And source of infection is going to be the contaminated food or water. And mode of ingestion is going to be the ingestion. So this is the host factor about the particular Enterobius infection. So now we will go into the life cycle. So whenever like we are going to eat the food which is contaminated with the embryonated egg, so the particular egg is going to reach the intestine, and this particular egg is going to hatch out in the intestine and going to release the larva. So this is going to be the tadpole shaped larva, and this is going to contain the embryonated structure, and there is going to be the larva inside this particular egg. So when you are going to see about the egg, so this particular egg is going to be a non-bile stained egg. And it's going to be plano-convex. So this is going to appear plano-convex, and inside that particular plano-convex egg, there is going to be a tadpole shaped larva. So this is about the egg of Enterobius vermicularis. So we are going to ingest this particular egg. We are going to eat the food which is contaminated with the particular egg, and this egg is going to reach the intestine, and in the intestine the particular egg is going to mature and it's going to release the larva. And this particular larva becomes the adult worm, and the adult worm, like they undergo something called fertilization, and the male fertilizes the female and it's going to die. And the gravid female now will migrate to the anal region. There it is going to lay up to 10,000 eggs per day in the perianal skin. So during the time of discharge of the egg, the babies can have severe anal pruritus, and the patient can also have an auto-infection, where there is going to be the itchiness around the anal region, and the pediatric age group child, they are going to keep their hands in the anal region and they are going to itch the anal region. And again, like pediatric children, like children's, they are going to have the hand in their mouth. So again, like there's going to be an auto-infection where they are going to contaminate the particular fingernail with the eggs of the particular organism. Again, they are going to keep it in the mouth. Again, there's going to be the life cycle where the particular egg is going to reach the intestine. Again, from the in the intestine, there is going to be the liberation of the worm, and that particular worm is going to become an adult, and again, like it is going to lay an egg. So this cycle is going to follow up. So this is the classical example for auto-infection.